Hey YouTube, Sam Frank here. Today opening my first sealed hobby box of Star Wars The Last Jedi Series 2. This stuff is really good. You're guaranteed one autograph per box, and some of the boxes actually have a sketch and an auto, so some pretty good stuff here. And I found that there's lots of number cards in the hobby stuff, so I don't think they made a whole lot of it. At least I just opened some loose packs and got like 6 or 7 numbered cards. So this stuff's pretty loaded. They didn't make a bunch, and I think it's a beautiful set too. So let's get cracking and see if we get a nice hit out of this. All right, so here's the first pack: Poe and the Admiral. Finn's Concern. Get my sleeves ready. Supreme Leader Snoke's Fury. General Hux gets a call. There's a TIE Fighter pilot insert. Hey, and we got a sticker right off the bat. Captain Phasma sticker. A blue Rey's Tenacity and Luke Skywalker's Compass. Alright, next pack. I got Holdo's Brutal Attack Plan, Firing on the Jedi Master, The Resistance Escapes, Rey and the Caretakers, Searching for a Base, got SE-8 Waiter Droid, Blue Kylo Ren on the Mend, and Electroshock Prod. Alright, next pack. Following the Force, Chewbacca's Perspective, Tally and the Bombers, Rose Does Her Duty, Rushing Back to the Fleet, General Emat, a blue Rey Discovers the Library, and First Order Laundry Droid. Alright, next pack. An Unlikely Rescue, Poe's Mutiny, Finn and Rose's Captors, Preparing for the First Order, Luke's Arrival. There's a Kylo Ren, First Order. Oh, here's a numbered card. First Order Command, Red, and Gaming Machine. And the Reds are 193 out of 199. So out of 199 are the Reds. Alright, next pack. Hoping to pull an auto I don't have. I'm really open to it. Or, I didn't get very many autos. I think I have one auto from Series 1 of Last Jedi, so I don't have many autos from the Last Jedi characters. Kylo Ren's Reflection, Rey's Tenacity, Reaching Out to Maz, Surrounded by Porgs, A Dark Discovery, Neeper's Panpick. Oh, another red, Luke's Great Stand, and Rose's Medallion. Which this is an error card. That's the Resistance Ring. It's not Rose's Medallion. And this is 49 out of 199. Alright, next pack. They put this is on Netflix right now if you want to watch The Last Jedi, which I thought was pretty awesome. And I watched it again last week or a couple days ago, and it holds up. I really love that movie. It's really good. Rey to the Rescue was that one, and then Destroying the Medical Frigate, Rey in the Rain, Dinner with the Porgs, Admiral Akbar. Might have something here because usually it's not in this spot. No, it's a poster card. A Finn poster card. And First Order Command Purple and Snoke's Throne. Alright, this one we got sounding the alarm, looking for the truth, destroying the dreadnought, facing down the dreadnought, Yoda and Luke's lesson, Lovey. Ooh, I don't know if this is considered mustard or gold, because there is a gold and a mustard. Kylo Ren's lightsaber. The golds are out of 10, and the mustard's out of 99. Dobu Skae's mistake, and that's the 03 out of 99 version. I wish I would have done a little bit more distinct color for them instead of using like mustard for. It looks just like the golds. The Master Codebreaker found. Luke stands alone. That was an awesome scene right there. The approaching doom, confronting the evil Snoke. General Leia Organa. Kylo Ren's shuttle, a purple prepping the evacuation, and Kylo Ren's helmet. Okay, Snoke takes action, weathering the attack, into Snoke's throne room, and pretty much any scene in the Snoke's throne room, I love those parts of that movie. It's so good. Back at the fleet, Admiral Holdo's defense. There's a Supreme Leader Snoke. There's another red coming down on Kylo Ren and Nick's Jerd's helmet. So this one is 102 out of 199. So I've already found 4 numbered cards this box. And I haven't even found hit number 1 yet. And the Price of War, clearing the path, the Resistance fights back, Luke's great stand, Paige drops the payload, Wadabin, and another numbered card, Luke opens up, and the twin vibro arbor blades. And that is 24 out of 99, so that's 5 numbered cards. Yeah, they didn't make very much of this stuff. So if you can, and the hobby boxes are actually very reasonably priced, so definitely recommend Series 2 Last Jedi. It's got a pretty good autograph list too, I think. Checklist. General Leia departs, old rivalries, new fights, leading the ties away. Momentous showdown, Luke opens up. Kai Threnali, and a blue Dark Discovery, and Paige Tico's helmet. Alright, next pack. Dobu Skae's mistake, Memories on the Falcon, coming down on Kylo Ren, facing Luke Skywalker, Captain Phasma. Ooh. We got a red Thotobin, Patron of Canto Bight. That must be numbered. And we got General Leia departs blue and Gaming Machine. And that one is 16 out of 99. So that is, I think that's 6 number cards now. Okay, Praetorian Defense, the First Order Advance, preparing the execution, a silent observer, cracking the code, Poe Dameron, aboard the Falcon Purple, and oh, that's cool, the proton bomb. Alright, still looking for hit number 1. Alright, Captain Phasma steps in, duel in the throne room. Great scene in the movie. First Order Command, Luke's sacrifice, aboard the Falcon, Neon Numb, Battle for the Truth, blue, and Poe Dameron's helmet. Alright, next pack. Ooh, I think that when you have weird stuff in packs like this, that you get a hit. So let's see. The Curious Porgs, Kylo Ren's Assault. Headed to Canto Bight, Luke Comes Clean, A Difficult Goodbye. Ensign Pemet Narrow Good. And there is something different in this pack. Reaching Out to Maz. No, there's not. Blue. And Homing Beacon. And this is a cool card, but it's just an advertisement. But it looks cool with the Rey on Octu. Oh, I was wrong. Alright, so we got prepping the evacuation to the meditation route. Leia feels the Force. Of course, we have a card of... That's the one scene that I don't love in that movie. It just seems kind of cheesy. Posed Emotion. First Order Gunner. Ooh, a gold. Captain Ederson Peavy. And then we got a couple blue cards here. Lightsaber Training. And a different kind of filth blue. And Resistance Ring. And this one is 5 out of 50. So that's actually not gold. Even though it looks gold, it's like the mustard. The mustard color. Alright, next pack. So fun to open when you get all these numbered cards, I think. Bomber's Approach. The Fearful Luke. An Unlikely Rescue. Posed Mutiny. Admiral Akbar of the Resistance. Resistance A-Wing. And a purple Leia Feeling the Force, and Snoke's Throne. Alright. Looks like we got about 7 packs left. No. Yeah, 7 packs left. Alright, so we got the Crystal Foxes of Crate, Facing the First Order, Battle for the Truth, Lightsaber Training, A Different Kind of Filth, General Hux. We got a blue Surrounded by Porgs, and Consar Flight Helmet. Oh no, looks like this is a relic card, I think. It feels thick. I mean, not relic, patch, yeah. So that's the only bad thing is you are guaranteed auto, but your other hit could be a patch, which kind of sucks. But you know, you have a chance of getting actually a sketch and auto. Finn and Rose's Captors, Kylo Ren's Lightsaber, Blue Old Rivalries New Fights, and hey, it's a General Leia Organa. That's a cool looking patch though. Not numbered. That's our first hit. Oh, putting those in the wrong spot. So now looking for an auto. The Arriving Dreadnought, Convincing Luke, Witnessing Leia's Power, Cadle's Cover-Up, Into the Fathier Pen. Ooh, well, there's our auto. Dave Chapman, Puppeteer for BB-8. That's cool, there's a BB-8 auto. Catching Up with Finn, blue, and Stormtrooper Executioner Helmet. And that's not numbered. I do not have that guy's auto. I think I do have a BB-8 of the other guy that does operates BB-8. Brian Herring. I do not have this guy. So Returning the Lightsaber, BB-8 the co-pilot, Paying DJ's Price, A Job Well Done, C-3PO. There's a AT-M6. Those are cool. Purple Luke Sacrifice, and First Order Medical Droid. So now just looking for maybe another numbered card. Snoke's Taunts, Chewie's New Buddy, The Power of Rey, Kylo Ren's Furious Attack, Force Through Feeling, Cadle Coconics. I'd like to get her auto. I think they're in here. Blue Poe's Assault, and blue Kylo Ren's Reflection, and Skywalker's lightsaber. Alright, 2 packs left. Kylo Ren on the mend. Rey discovers the library, catching up with Finn. Poe's Assault. Vice Admiral Holdo. That's cool. That's one of those Rey continuity cards. To the Meditation Rock, purple, and Precious Metal Canto coins. And last pack. Preparing for the First Order, Luke's arrival, Rey to the rescue, destroying the medical frigate, Rey in the rain, Neon Numb, a blue leading the ties away, and Poe Dameron's helmet. Alright, so that was pretty fun. Just to recap, we actually ended up with 7 numbered cards in one box, which is awesome. This one was the rarest out of 50. And a bunch out of 99s, 199s. A Dave Chapman auto, which that's pretty cool, BB-8. And General Leia Organa commemorative patch. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.